In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Word document with just the right design elements to make it stand out. Whether you're working on a new project or sprucing up an existing document, these steps will guide you through applying and customizing themes in Microsoft Word seamlessly. Let's begin by having your Word document open and ready on your screen. If you don't have a document open yet, feel free to create a new one. It's always helpful to start with a blank page if you want to experiment with different styles and layouts. Now, the fun part starts as we move to the Design tab at the top of the Word interface. If you're using an older version of Microsoft Word, this might be labeled as the Page Layout tab, so don't worry if you see that instead. Clicking this tab will take you into a world of document customization options. Here, you can transform the look and feel of your entire document within seconds. Once you've reached the Design or Page Layout tab, locate the Document Formatting or Themes group. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an icon labeled Themes. Clicking on Themes will reveal a plethora of theme thumbnails, each displaying a different style that combines fonts, colors, and effects. Here's a handy tip. Before you commit to any one theme, take advantage of Word's preview feature. As you hover over each theme thumbnail, you can see a live preview of how that theme will look applied to your document. This allows you to explore all the options without making any permanent changes, giving you a sense of how your finished document might appear. Once you've found a theme that resonates with your needs, or simply suits your taste, go ahead and click on it. Voila! The chosen theme is now applied to your document, instantly transforming its appearance. But what if the theme isn't spot on? Perhaps you like the layout, but wish the colors or fonts were different. Not a problem. Word lets you further customize themes to tailor them exactly to your liking. Next, you'll see an option called Colors. Clicking on this will present you with various color palettes. Experiment with these options until you find a combination that enhances your document's message. Similarly, under the Fonts option, you have the freedom to pick or even define your own heading and body fonts. This can add a unique touch to your document, helping it align more closely with your personal or brand style. Lastly, there's the Effects option. By clicking here, you can choose from a range of shape or graphic effects that make your document visually richer and more engaging. Whether it's a subtle shadow or a bold bevel, these effects can add an extra layer of sophistication or fun. With these steps, your document will not only look polished, but also reflect the exact style you aim to convey. So go ahead, apply your newfound knowledge, and watch your documents come to life.